farming community. They are hardworking, they're amazing people, and you treat them right and they will treat you the exact same way back.
We've been through the good years and we've also been through the rough years.
Everyone here has had some sort of relationship to ag or construction industry, whether it's actually been in the dealerships themselves or farming themselves.
We know that business doesn't always happen during the day. Sometimes it happens in the evening, sometimes it's weekend. That's where I really feel we excel with Machinery Scope, is providing that dedication. And you can bet that if you needed something outside of that area, that's when the dedication kicks in, and we'll see one of us will be able to help you out.
We try to look at it from the dealer's perspective, from the farmer's perspective, and try to build things that way versus what might just work best for the company.
We are extremely excited to bring all of our customer service knowledge and expertise to our dealers and to their end users as well.
We are always working to deliver the best possible solutions to the marketplace.
This is who we are, and it's what we love.